Alright, this is going to be a quick installation guide on how to install new RAM and breathe some new life into your 2011 Mac Mini. Let's get this show on the road. Of course, first, you're going to want to open up the packaging for your beautiful new RAM. Once you get that open, show it to the camera so everyone can see how awesome your new 8 gigs are. Flip the Mac over. On the very top, you'll have these two unlock and lock buttons. Just go ahead and twist it into the unlock position. Pop it off. Now once you have that open, you'll want to remove the two old sticks. There are 2 notches on each side of the stick, so just go ahead and pull those apart and the RAM should pop off just fine. Here we have the 2 new RAM sticks that are to be installed into our Mac Mini. Now keep in mind, when installing the new RAM, put it in at a slight angle, and then once it's in, push it down slightly and it should clasp on just fine. Okay, now that we have our RAM installed, let's go ahead and put the lid back on our Mac Mini. Remember these 2 notches? Let's go ahead and put it into the locked position. Alright guys, now that our RAM is installed, let's double check whether or not it's installed correctly. Click the Apple logo, click About This Mac, and we should see our upgraded RAM. Well guys, that's it for this how-to video. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Adios, amigos.